doing? Let's check on your energy. See what you're doing these days. Lyran, strength, courage, and bravery. You might be on the cusp between Leo and Virgo, because Lyran's is Leo energy. So I do feel you tapping into that Leo energy. I've got to find the deck that's for you. Alright, let's do this one. Tapping into your strength, courage, bravery. Let's see what that means for you. Eight of Cups, Five of Swords in reverse. This is walking away from something that I feel brings a lot of conflict in your life, makes you feel conflicted. You're in this energy of kind of thinking about, dwelling about what it is you're walking away from. It's like wanting to put the nails in the coffin. That's what I'm saying. Nails in the coffin. Like, you're like, alright, the past is dead. Moving on. Over the conflict, over the fighting, over the nonsense. You're just looking to have kind of a peaceful, grounded, stable life, right? Oh, shit. Okay. So, Five of Cups in the reverse, right? This is letting go of somebody that you felt that you were wasting your love on, right? The Devil in reverse could be Capricorn energy, but also with all this conflict and all this, like, feeling of love being, thrown down the drain, you might see this person as the devil, right? As somebody that you're letting go of, somebody who had a hold on you, and I feel like you're just like, goodbye, past. Two of Cups. I see you coming into union with somebody new. Kind of like severing the past and embarking on a new connection. Six of Pentacles in reverse, you're kind of in a situation where you have to learn how to figure shit out for yourself, and in the past you probably had somebody that, helped out with the bills, helped out with stuff, and now you're like, fuck, now I've got to do it on my own, right? There's this new independent energy. With the Three of Wands in reverse, your past connection could have been kind of a third party situation. Like a love triangle. unfaithfulness, whatever the case. But whatever it is that put you in a bad headspace. Nine of Swords, yeah. There was a lot of despair in that connection. King of Swords, I see you cutting that off and being fed up with it. There's something, there's a lot of past energy that you're still resolving while entering into this union. And sometimes it's good to ask yourself, if you're emotionally ready, right? Ten of Pentacles in reverse, are you financially ready? Because it seems like you lost some financial stability in all this. Alright, with the King of Wands in reverse, and the Four of Swords in reverse, it's like you're struggling to face the truth about a situation. Four of Swords is like not really being able to relax because you're concerned about shit. Right? You're an earth sign, so your concern is usually money, right? Let's be real. Your concern is usually money. Ace of Swords, I do see you having like a breakthrough. I do see you like kind of establishing yourself, right? A new cycle is to begin. One where you're not so quick to allow yourself to be codependent. I feel like you don't like that. You don't like codependency. And so you're trying to establish yourself without that. Which is hard if you've been in a long-term connection with somebody who helped you out a lot financially or lived with you, because even if it's not a negative codependency, there's a codependency or interdependence, where it's like you're used to having somebody else to help out with something, and now you have to figure it out without them. I haven't seen this card yet. Nature communication. Flower energies, fairy energies, elemental messengers. You need to sit inside nature. You need to stop and smell the flowers. You need to get in touch with that. You're an earth sign. You need that groundedness that comes from spending time in nature. Keep your temper. Don't allow anger to rule you. Alright, that goes back to that conflicted energy or that energy of conflict. You're really being called to get that shit under wraps, Quit being so mad, don't hold grudges, don't be resentful. Because anything that's not meant for you couldn't have worked out for you. Anything that is meant for you will work out for you. You can't fuck up what's meant for you. And you can't get right what's wrong for you, right? Investigate. Look closely. Ask questions. Think before acting, right? Be very methodical in your next steps and your next moves. Really ask yourself what's right for you. What is it that you want? Write it down. Write down what you want. Manifest that shit. curiouser and curiouser. Discovery, inquiry, weirdness, and curiosity. With the inquiry and the investigation, I feel like there's somebody in your energy that you need to look closer into. Understand their intentions with you better. Who in the world are you? Getting to know the new you, right? Because you're not in that same past energy anymore, and so you can't take the same past behaviors into the future, right? You can't take the same past mindsets into the future. There's no room for it. Nitya Kali. Through journeying within, you will gain energy, insight, and freedom from the constraints of what has been. Allow that which needs to end to do so. You shall realize that you are not being denied, but released. There's something new on the horizon for you. Honor the losses, but keep hope in your heart for what is meant to be. All right, like I said, you can't get what's right, or you can't get it right with something that's wrong for you. And you can't get it wrong with something that's right for you. Okay? Some Confucius-ass philosophy there, but Guna Tantrika. It takes strength of spirit not to override inner knowing with social pressures or an inhuman expectation for constant performance. Trust in the shifting cycles to give yourself what you need for well-being. No being benefits when you are at odds with yourself. You have the inner power and capacity to be at peace within your being now. Spend time in nature. That's what I'm saying. Spend time in nature. You need to connect, alright? Do some mushrooms in the woods with somebody you trust. I don't know, but you need to connect. The fairy spirits, feel like you hear them a lot more clearly and you see them a lot more clearly when you allow it, right? When you allow it, you have to get back into your childlike nature and get inside nature, right? Allow yourself to have fun in the dirt and the sticks and the rocks and climbing trees and whatever. Allow yourself to connect, like really fucking connect with it. But yeah, that's my advice for you right now. And this is pretty much what I have for you. I hope this was helpful. Namaste. I love you guys, and I'll catch you later.